New at 11, two men who were shot by an off-duty police officer in an alleged road rage incident are speaking out tonight after filing a federal lawsuit. Good evening, I'm Ellen Leyva in for Michelle Tusi.
I'm Mark Brown. Eyewitness News reporter Leanne Suter is live at the federal courthouse downtown where that suit was filed with more on this developing story. Leanne.
The attorney representing the men says that in his 35 years, he has never seen a civil rights case like this. The pair shot 7 times by an off-duty officer for what they say was road rage.
It happened so quick I really couldn't, and it was hard to, figure out what was going on. I mean, he shot within 10 seconds of getting out of the car.
As I turned to run, he shot me in the arm here, and that kind of spun me around. And then when I went around, he hit me in the ankle, and I fell on the ground, and I was trying to crawl back up, and my arm was broken. And
Brian Sloma and Addison Weeks say their lives have been shattered by an off-duty police officer who opened fire on them and 2 friends.
Still can't believe it happened. It's just every day you feel like you're still in shock over, you think about it every day, and it gets to you.
The incident, which ended in gunfire last October in front of Drip Coffee in Chino Hills, began with an alleged road rage incident on the 71 freeway. The pair says Ricardo Curiel, who is a Huntington Park police officer, followed them for several miles until they pulled into the mall parking lot. 4 friends in Sloma's car got out, and that's when they say Curiel started shooting.
Because they never told us that it was an officer. He never announced himself. So the whole time I was just thinking, wow, this guy was just mad, some random person.
Sloma was hit 3 times, Weeks 4 times, and has suffered permanent disability. Both men now face additional surgeries. At the time of the incident, investigators said Curiel thought the 4 men were armed and grabbed his gun. Authorities say they found a knife and pepper spray at the scene. 3 of the 4 in the car were arrested based on what the off-duty officer said, but no charges were ever filed.
The officer was treated preferentially. He wasn't even interrogated, from what I understand. He wasn't even videotaped. They didn't seize his car, from what we understand. They can't even account for all the casings. We don't even know how many times he shot.
The men are now suing the Huntington Park Police Department and San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department for civil rights violations in state and federal court. The San Bernardino County DA's office says Curiel's actions remain under investigation. In a statement, the attorney representing Huntington Park Police says, quote, until the review is completed, it will be premature for the police department to comment at this time. Sloma and Weeks say Curiel should be held responsible for his actions.
Why would that be the first thing he thought to do, that reaction? It doesn't make sense to me.
Now, the pair's attorney says they are waiting to see if Curiel, that off-duty officer, will be charged criminally for the shooting. If he is not, their attorney says they plan to ask the Justice Department to investigate. Live in downtown Los Angeles, Leanne Suter, ABC7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Leanne.